Good evening, traders. Today is Monday, March 13th. Markets are closed. Futures are up. We have some consolidation going on. We have a wedge. And not only do we have a wedge, we have a wedge consolidating under the weekly SMA 20. And if this consolidation continues, which you're going to see soon in the upcoming slides, this is going to be the same play the market makers did at the end of December, early January. Same play, because I'm going to show you patterns that's about to happen that are playing out right now. Consolidation I was referring to last week, but they snuck in a little bit of manipulated fake bank crises just to take it lower, only to have this same consolidation pattern that is developing at the end of December, early January. How did I know this was a wedge? Last night, I predicted this movement would happen. I tweeted this out. This is what's going to happen tomorrow, which is today. It's going to go up, and then it's going to go down. I thought that's what would happen in the morning, but it turns out that's what happened at night last night. Up, down. I predicted that pattern exactly because I saw that wedge coming. I was like, I know what you're going for. I've seen this wedge before. So, I also tweeted this last night, 6:17 p.m. I said, hey guys, watch for this. Last Friday was the low. Watch for up, up, down, higher, low. Okay? Just watch for this pattern to play out. Up, up, down. This was my proposal last night. Because I want to show you something in end of December, early January. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. Down, down, down. Higher, low, goodbye. That was consolidation under the daily EMA 50 at the end of December. This was FOMC, by the way. All it was one big consolidation pattern under EMA 50. So you got that visual? Because that brings us to today. Consolidation under weekly SMA 20. Up. That's the low. Up. What if tomorrow's CPI number comes in as expected, and then we go up? Then we can expect Wednesday to go ahead and come down, only to make a higher low relative to the 310 low. Up, up, down. Up, up, down. That's the consolidation I'm talking about last week. And you guys have listened to my previous episodes. Anytime you consolidate under a major line, especially the SMA 20, the weekly SMA 20, that's bullish. I've always said that. I didn't just make that up just now. Anytime you consolidate under, that's bullish. It is shaping up to be the same pattern of December, January. So far, so good. Up. Is tomorrow going to be up? If it is, you bears need to start thinking, oh, snap. we're about to get same played in football again. Might I remind you, I want to call your attention to something. This is December, January. See this huge fall? This was the low. See that? I just want to call your attention to this section right here. Don't worry about any of this to the right. Just this section. Big up overnight. Huge fall. That was from the news from Japan. Only to kind of float up, come back up. Okay? So you got that visual? What did I show you today? Up. Huge fall. Wick up. Wick up. Up. Float up. Huge fall. Up. Float up. Boy, that looks eerily familiar, doesn't it? And look at the MACD, by golly. Down, up, up. Down, up, up. I kept trying to tell you guys. And what did I say in my morning episode? SPY 383. What did I say last Friday? SPY 383. So I'll just kind of let you guys, mainly the bears, let's sink in for a minute what you're looking at. You're getting same played. Even Michael Burry, he even tweeted, he says, you guys, there's no crisis here. This is gonna, I think he even said it. He goes, I think this is gonna resolve pretty quickly. This was a manufactured crisis, guys. It may be this weekend or sometime later. I'll show you the tweet that proves it. I already sent it to the folks on Twitter. Unequivocally manufactured crises. Because it was with absolute precision how that played out on March 9th on the 4-hour chart that I tweeted out. Perfect precision. You can only get that when you manufacture it. But I'll show you that another time. Those on Twitter have already seen it. Having said that, let's get into the intraday kind of action for the day. Okay. 5-minute chart here. I mean, overall, it was just, there's the old EMA. Okay, yeah, I basically skipped some steps here. There's the old EMA backtest. Right here. Here we go. There you go, right there. Okay, so I did not place a trade. I know a few of you did on Twitter today. You mavericks. You cut in like right here. You know, hey, it worked. So I was being conservative today. I said, nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the EMA, and then I even moved the goalpost and waited for this main channel 386 line. But you'll see that tweet. Okay, so yeah, I was just warning about what happened last Friday, how it did backtest, lifted up, and then it turned down. So that's what I was worried about. You know, coming up, backtesting, only to come up here, hit some major resistance like this channel line, and then turn down. It's like, nah, I'm going to wait this time. I'm just going to wait this one out. See what happens. Okay. So, yeah, I said I may even wait until like it clears the 386 line. This is the red dash line right there, 386. So, okay. Backtest time. Oh, I think the slides were kind of a little bit off sequence. That's okay. So, backtest, I'm referring to the EMA 50 right here. Wait for the backtest, knowing that it was sandwiched between, you know, the channel line 386 and the EMA 50. Oh yeah, these slides are Oof, they're pretty far off. Now we're back at the beginning again. So, yeah, this is the beginning. I just said right here, as I said earlier, a moment ago, I'm waiting for EMA 50, which is up here. You know, if I'm in scalping mode, sure. But I waited. I was being a good Boy Scout today. I wasn't going to jump the gun. So, found support right here, 381.50. Failed back test. Yes. So, okay, so it did fail the back test right here. I was like, yeah, see, that's why I waited. That's why I waited. But I said, now look for consolidation under EMA 50. That's what happened. Found support on SMA 20, came back up. Consolidation under EMA 50. Kind of like what I just said a few moments ago. Consolidation under the weekly SMA 20. And in December, January, consolidation under the one-day EMA 50. Uh-oh. That's right. Better be careful. Look how it's respecting this red line. It sure was. It sure was. Okay. The wicks up are encouraging. That would have been right here. Wick up, up, up. So, yeah, you know. But because it was sandwiched, between this channel, the 386 line, I was like, man. Again, could have gone long. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. Already seen too many times where some kind of resistance comes in when you didn't think so, and there it was. Okay. So, but looking back, these again are signs of hidden bullishness. Wick up, wick up, wick up. Okay. So, right here, boom, great green candle up to the blue channel line right there, blue channel line right here. So, once again, I'm being a good Boy Scout because this is a major channel line. I'm like, okay, you green candled up. I just wanted to see how deep it backtests to. Well, come to find out, not very deep at all. See that right there, right there. And I ended up scaling long, and I did say here, come on, show me something, SPY. It was right here when it was like, come on, show me. I want to see this. I want to see something. So it was this green candle went long. And we kind of skipped to this right here, backtesting to SMA 20 right there. So would be bullish if it stops there and does not go lower. So ended up pivoting off SMA 20 right here. It went up. Okay, so skipped to this point right here. So this was the point that 386.75 is lower than the EMA 386.77. 386.75, the candle body, lower straddled 386.77, the EMA 50. Okay, that's technically a failed backtest. So actually, I scaled out. I was like, oh, I've seen this before. So, I mean, look at this. It ended up going down, 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 down. So it did, but found support here at the blue channel line, came back up and consolidated, and came back up. But as you can see, as soon as this right here failed, look at this, down, 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 down. It's like, oh boy, here we go again. Okay, but hey, market maker decided it's going to find support in this blue channel line, come back up, consolidate, go back up. So, yeah, I was commentating right there, right here. I was like, oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Are you gonna consolidate? Are you going to reject? What are you going to do? So at that point, I was just watching. And here's where I say it needs to hold 386. It lost the EMA 50. So it needs to hold 386. I mean, you can't get flatly rejected. Well, it sure looked like it was going to, though. Okay. So I want to point out another pattern that's actually important. It's going to consolidate up, but you know when it's about to make a big move. When it's consolidating up, and then it starts to actually go down. But here's the scary part. You're like, is it going to keep going down? Is it going to keep going down, or is it going to go down and then make the big move up? In this case, it made the big move up. Okay. So, once again, I even waited until that candle right there to go long again. Okay. So, boy, they were playing tricks. So it was a slightly lower low just now, 385.52 compared to 385.51. That would have been 385.51 just now compared to 385.52 right there. It's 1 penny, but it's 1 penny. Okay. So I think I'll just scale out for a slight loss today. It's all good. No harm, no foul. So, so basically, I mean, we were just looking at it's trying to bottom. It's trying to make. It's just trying to make higher lows. We're basically like at the bottom of the wedge. Last night we were at the top. Now we're at the bottom. So that's what it's trying to do. So in the coming days, like for the rest of this week, we gotta keep making higher lows, like up, up, down, but it's a higher low, up, up, down is a higher low. That's going to be problematic for the bear case, is it not? I would say so. So keep an eye for that. Okay, just wanted to give an update today. I just swung long for URA, uranium. April 21st expiration, strike price 20. Okay, so that's what happened in extended hours tonight. Uranium was playing possum. Only up 0.15% intraday, but then after hours. So what happened? I was actually kind of scaling in as I was watching this consolidation. See that? Consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. Now this is interesting. Kind of a wick down. But because look at the MACD. It's making higher lows, and at this point today, it already has a positive cross over the signal line and heading in an upward trajectory, right? And this is after a month and a half of falling, guys. So that's what I knew. I was like, no, I'm getting into it today. So when you see this consolidate, 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 even though this is a wick down, boom. That's what happens every time. When you consolidate under the line, under the SMA 20. In this case, this is the 1 hour SMA 20. And there you have it. Kaboom! So I'm going to be holding this for, 2 to 4 weeks, give or take. Just depends on the pattern that I see when I need to exit. But so far, so good. This is the one I'm trading my 401k retirement accounts with. I'm not day trading that. I'm buying and holding. Well, no, I'm not buying and holding. I'm buying and swinging, not buying and holding. Buying and swinging. And that's basically all I've got for you guys today. Please feel free to follow me on Twitter, where I give real-time updates as the trading day goes on. And don't forget to listen to your favorite music while you're trading. Helps you get in the right flow state, right state of mind. Please give this video a like, share, subscribe, or click to be notified when I release something new. With that, I'm Agent 000. Signing off.